Hello and welcome. In this video, we are looking at linear sequence. Okay, let's go. Example 1. Here are the first 5 terms of an arithmetic sequence. Write down the end in terms of n, an expression for the nth term. Okay, so we're looking for the nth term of this sequence. Okay. Each number in the sequence is called a term. So we have the first term first, second term, third term, fourth term, and so on. Okay, don't forget each number in the sequence is called a term. Okay, so what is the term to term rule? How are we going to get from the first term to the second term? So it's plus 5 each time, plus 5 each time. Okay, so from 11 to 16, you add 5. Okay, you add 5 each time. It means the nth term of the sequence will start with 5n, 5n. N represents the position of each term. So it could be first term, second term, and so on. So this is the first term, but we need to get the term before the first term. So we need the 0th term. So the 0th term, we're going to, because we're adding 5 this way, we have to subtract 5 from 6. So minus 5. So 6 minus 5 will give us 1. So plus 1. It means the nth term of this sequence is 5n plus 1. Okay? And you can test to see if it works. Let's test. For the first term first, position 1, n is 1. So 5 times 1 is 5 plus 1, 6. So that's correct. Let's check the fourth term, this one. So it means n is 4. 5 times 4 is 20 plus 1, 21. So our nth term is correct. Now we need the 100th term. Okay? So the 100th term using this, so we need the nth term is 5n plus 1. 5n plus 1, and we need the 100th term. So that'll be 5 times 100, because n is 100 now, plus 1. And that will be 5 times 100 is 500 plus 1, 501. It means the 100th term of this sequence is 501. Okay? It means it's in the 5 times table and you just add 1 to it. Okay, let's try the second example. Okay, so we have the sequence. In this case, the term, you can see that the term is going down. So from 20 to 10, you take away 10. So you minus 10 each time. Okay, you minus 10. So it means the sequence is going to start with minus 10. Sequence always starts with the rule. Okay, because it's minus 10. So minus 10n. So we need a 0 term. So the term before this, because we are subtracting 10 this way, we have to add 10 to the first term. Okay, so 20 plus 10 is 30. So it means the 0 term is 30. Okay, so plus 30. So here is our nth term. We can test if it's correct. So it's the first term, second term. Let's try the third term. Okay, so the third term is 0. Okay, so for the third term, n is 3. So 3 times minus 10 will give you minus 30, plus 30, and that will be 0. Okay, let's go to the next example. Example 3. So here we have the nth term of a sequence is 4n minus 1. So if I just type that in quickly, 4n minus 1. Okay, and we want to generate the first 5 terms, all right? So the first term, first, position 1, n is 1. Okay, so we're going to do 4 times 1 is 4, take away 1, and that will be 3. So the first term is 3. The second term, n will be 2, so position number 2, second. So n is 2, so 2 times 4 is 8. Take away 1, and that will be 7. So the second term is 7. Pause the button and try the remaining 3 terms because we need 5 terms. Okay, did you get it right? I've written the workings on the side here to help you when you're doing your revision. Okay, so for the first term, 4 times 1 is 4, take away 1, and that gives you 3. So I've shown the workings of, did you get them right? Well done. Okay, the next example. Here we go. So the nth term of the sequence is 2n squared. 2n squared minus 3. Now, the common error for students in this question is doing the multiplying before the indices. Okay, so you have to use indices here. All right, you have to do power before you multiply. Okay, so the first term, n is 1. So you're going to do 2. I'll just show a few workings here. So 1 squared minus 3. Okay. So 1 squared is 1 times 2 is 2. Then 2 minus 3 will give you minus 1. Press the pause button and try the second term. Okay, did you get them right? So the first term is minus 1. Second term is 5, third 15, 29, and 47. Well done if you did. Thank you for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this lesson. You can ask any questions below, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.